Hey, this French fillet from the Costco. See that? The skin they pink like the red slapper, but this is the Finch. Yeah, I make the corn flour and the regular flour, and I add some little bit sauce and ground pepper and green onion. I make a little bit thin like that and dip the fish in. I make the fried fish. It aside about like put in the oil. This vegetable oil make it hot. When you see one side they brown and crispy and turn into another. Okay, you should make that fit at home too for family to eat. Look at that. Are you hungry? Very quickly. They're all done. This mushroom I dip in the same batter and looking so yummy. That's my dinner. 5 fish. This kale and brush ball, and I have some dry cranberry. That's a healthy salad. And the sauce I make with some the hot mustard, sriracha, and some mayonnaise for the fish. So my water and put the lemon inside. Come on, come over, have a dinner with me. Cheers. After I fry, I turn in the boil oven, make the warm first and turn it off and put the fish inside until the dinner time. And the skin, they still very crispy. Dip in the sauce. Dip the fish in the sauce. Just nice, spicy. The sauce delicious. This sliced brush ball and kale, and I make vegetable salad. So healthy. Dinner was delicious. Thank you for watching my video. I'm always with you all the best. Don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. See you next video.